All right, let me bring in Michael Jaafar very quickly. Michael, I want to get your reaction to that verdict there in New York. Donald Trump found guilty of all charges.
Completely unprecedented. What do we do now? Is he going to stay out on bond? Is he going to be sentenced to jail? If he's eventually sentenced to jail, which jail is on the table, do you take the Secret Service into jail with him? Because he can't be in general population. So I'm flabbergasted. This is unprecedented. I'm going to be glued to the TV. I want to see what happens. But yeah, this is completely unprecedented. I have no idea what this judge is going to do.
Now, Mike, I will say this. He violated the gag order in the case, I think 9 times, 8 or 9 times. And the judge on a number of occasions said, look, if you don't stop, I'm going to throw you to jail. And he kept saying, I don't want to do that. He eventually, of course, didn't do that. I don't think he wants to send someone like Donald Trump to jail. Again, we do know there are a number of political implications as far as that goes. And as I said, there are options: house arrest, probation. This is the type of case where that may be very much appropriate. So those could be possibilities.
Even though the judge cannot consider what's beneficial for the broad population society, he's going to have to in this case, because if he puts house arrest, for example, that you can't campaign 5 months out of a presidential election, some people saying the most important presidential election in their lifetime, right? So house arrest means he can't campaign. So the half of the country that really believes that this is a conspiracy is going to be now even more emboldened. So all of this is on this judge's shoulders. This judge, in addition to getting death threats and people harassing it outside, there's a scene outside of the courthouse, right? So it's going to be very, very, very challenging for this judge to concoct some sort of a now he's got to sentence him. What does he do?